Okay, I'm gonna take you into the world of beauty and technology, which I find ever-changing and ever-merging. And this little thing right in front of us here, this is from L'Oreal. And what it is, it's called My UV Patch. And you can see I have it right on my hand.
Right.
What's neat is this little patch, you stick it right to your skin. It's a sticker. And then what you do is you download the accompanying app and you can set up a profile. Now what it does is it detects all the UV rays that you actually receive in a day and how much you're supposed to be applying when it comes to sunscreen. And I'm gonna show you right here, we actually set up a little profile. What you do is you enter in your info, your name, your age, what kind of skin that you have, and then you go ahead and set up a profile and it tells you what's the best in terms of applying sunscreen.
Your coverage, right.
And then what you can do is, as I've noted, there's a little decal. You go ahead and you can scan that, and you have access now to get all the details right on your patch. So it'll tell you in the area, for example, we're here in New York, it'll tell you the UV index and give you some educational insight. Beauty and tech world combining. And I wanna show you too, we went outside, and I wanna show you what we did to showcase the little bit of my UV. Anywhere you're outside, you can actually go ahead and do that scan. I did it right on my hand. And by the way, you can put this little decal anywhere you choose, but it will tell you your skin type and it will show your scans throughout the day.
Really
so
cool.
To me, this is, and I love it for kids as well because it gets them understanding how much sunlight you're getting in.
I bet you dermatologists love this.
You might start seeing it at dermatologists just coming
to
the summer
at the office.
as well.
Right.
Yeah.